Alright, so I had to re-record. I filmed this without my microphone, and it's really echoey in here, so it doesn't really sound too well. Um, Basically, it's been about 10 days since my last update. Kind of a lot has been going on outside of this project, but essentially, we've now got a gantry system, sort of. We've got the actual gantry bar on. I had to 3D print these and design them from the original designs. I was going to include some CAD for that, but just didn't have time to set that up and kind of just got it going instead. We also worked on these support systems. So these support bars, it used to shake and rock quite a bit. Now you can see it's pretty stable. There's a little bit of shake this way, but I think I can fix that with just a few angles that I can 3D print. So to do that, we took these off. We took these off and leveled it out with a little bit of 3D printed washers just to help with a bit more squeeze when I tighten everything down. And then we also looked at adding these idlers here. So I can kind of show you guys that real quick. So you can see that there. These I'm gonna put some spacing here and here probably, depending. We're gonna figure out. That's kind of the next step, right? Is figuring out the belt looping configuration, and that is currently looking like something like this. I'm not certain how it's going to look, but I do know I need to add a new idling piece, because originally the tensioner, piece that was in the original design, I decided to try and do it without it, and we'll see how that works out. But in the meantime, what I'm going to try and do is probably just drill 2 holes, make sure that they're in line, and then add another idling piece just to help loop the, this is supposed to be the motor, so then loop it around so it makes that kind of dip shape. Yeah, so it's been a while. I'm going to try and be more consistent with these updates for myself. This is more for me than it is for anyone watching. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Y contarte las cosas que no te conté. ¿Te parece a mi crush? Y tirarte las fotos que no te tiré. Hecho brote, el lindo de underground. Ay, tengo el pecho pelado, me dio una mata. El corazón dándome pata. Dime, baby, ¿dónde tú estás? Pa' llegarle con Rolo, Julito, Cristal, Roy, Edgar, Seba, Oscar, Darnell y Big J tocando gota. Hoy la calle la dejamos desbaratar. Y salía de tu calle, me toca el cuido. Yo veo tu nombre y me sale el suspiro. No sé si son petardos o si son tiros. Mi loquita, perico, mi kilo. Yo estoy en PR tranquilo, pero te vi tirar más fotos de cuando